Hey everyone! Whether you're whipping up weeknight dinners or preparing meals for a crowd, having the right kitchen tools can make all the difference. Today, we're sharing 10 must-have kitchen gadgets that every busy home needs. These are practical, versatile, and designed to save you time and effort. As always, links to all the products are in the description below. Let's dive in. First up, we have the Ninja AF101 Air Fryer. This kitchen powerhouse lets you enjoy crispy, delicious meals with little to no oil. From fries to veggies, it's perfect for busy families looking for healthier meal options without sacrificing flavor. Next is the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker, a breakfast game changer. Whether you like your eggs boiled, scrambled, or poached, this gadget handles it all in minutes. It's compact, easy to use, and ideal for saving time during hectic mornings. For quick and safe slicing, check out the Geedel Rotary Cheese Grater. With interchangeable blades, it handles everything from julienne to slicing veggies for salads or stir-fries. It's a versatile tool that makes prep work faster and safer. Reheating leftovers or cooking meals just got better with the COSORI 12-in-1 air fryer. This compact gadget combines multiple functions, offering everything from toasting to dehydrating fruits. Its sleek design makes it a stylish addition to any kitchen. For multifunctional cooking, the Instant Pot Duo Mini is a must-have. This all-in-one device can pressure cook, slow cook, steam, and sauté, making it perfect for preparing hearty meals in record time. It's a lifesaver for busy weeknights or meal prep days. Blend soups, sauces, or smoothies effortlessly with the KitchenAid variable speed corded hand blender. Its powerful motor and ergonomic design make it easy to handle, giving you smooth, consistent results every time. A versatile tool for everyday cooking. Coffee enthusiasts, the BREW Conical Burr coffee grinder is your new best friend. Grinding beans just before brewing ensures the freshest flavor, and this grinder's precise settings make it perfect for everything from espresso to French press. Add precision to your cooking with the YARRAMATE Oil Sprayer. Whether you're roasting veggies or dressing a salad, this sprayer helps you control the amount of oil, making meals healthier and mess-free. It's practical, sleek, and eco-friendly. Keep your pantry or fridge organized with Rubbermaid Brilliance storage containers. These BPA-free, airtight containers are perfect for storing leftovers, snacks, or meal-prepped ingredients. Their clear design makes it easy to see what's inside, saving you time while cooking. And finally, we've come full circle with the Ninja CREAMi ice cream maker. Because yes, it's that good. Whether you're preparing ice cream, gelato, or milkshakes, its versatility and ease of use make it a must-have in every kitchen. And there you have it. 10 must-have kitchen gadgets for every busy home. Let us know in the comments which product you're excited to try. And don't forget to check out the links in the description to shop these amazing finds. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!